Hello everyone, myself Birabrat and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the NTT Data off-campus drive 2023. So they're hiring for the graduate engineer trainee position or the GET position. So before discussing about the application process, about the eligibility criteria and about the recruitment process, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding various latest off-campus and also about the preparation guides, like how to prepare for the various off-campus for TCS or the Infosys, Wipro and Accenture, Deloitte, Capgemini and all. And also we are doing the taking the multiple mock interviews as well, free of cost. And in the last video we discussed about the emphasis off campus and about the Unisys off campus. So they're hiring for these two positions. So if you didn't apply for this position, then I'll be putting the link to the other off-campus details or the drives as well in the description of this video, so that you can click on the links and apply for those positions. And also there are many other off-campus drives as well available in this month, so you can apply for those as well. And for more details, you can join our Telegram channel as well, so that you can get more updates related to the latest off campus, right? So now let's discuss about the position and the role. So they're hiring for the GET position, so it's a entry level position and it's a trainee position, and they're hiring for the Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and the line or the field is general business management or the operations or the administration. So it's a sort of non-technical position, so you'll be dealing with all the operations kind of stuff or the administration or the business line management, etc., like to align or everything, right? So this is the career page of the NTT Data. And so now let's discuss about what will be your roles and responsibilities here. So basically you need to gain knowledge and the experience in various specializations or the functionality areas, and you need to coordinate the meetings or the logistics and the filing or the record keeping and all, so just to make the process easier, right? So and provide support to the client in low complexity matters and maintain a log or the list of all the queries and all, and what are the solutions here provided, etc. And knowledge or the skills required for this position is the attention to the detail, and also good written or the verbal communication skill, and also you should be able to you should be work in a team or the collaborative environment, and also you should be a good team management kind of skill you must be having, and also ability to apply various like theoretical knowledge in a practical manner, etc. And so these are the like various functional knowledge are needed for this position. And what is the academic and qualification details needed here? Any diploma or the bachelor's degree candidate can apply, that means BTech or the BSc candidates can apply, and any relevant certification you can show while applying for this position. And experience required is the relevant working experience in desired but not essential. That means freshers can also apply because it's a entry level position here, and any page candidates can apply, and there is no certain percentage criteria here. That means non career candidates can also apply for this position. That means the people those who are having below 60 percentage cutoff, I mean percentage marks, then they are also eligible for this position, because there is no strict criteria towards the percentage or the marks here. So if you have scored 50 percentage in your 12th or 10th or any in your bachelor's degree, then it is also fine. You can apply for this position because it's a non-technical position. So that's why it is acceptable. And some experience in dealing with the internal or the external stakeholders and all, like you should be able to like solve their queries or something, or to deal with them, or to arrange the calls and all, to facilitate the process or something, or the business, right? So this is all about the position and all, so you can go through all the details and all. And here I just quickly wanted to show you few more positions. If you see here, these are the like various positions, similar kind of positions are available, but the locations are different. I mean the foreign locations are there. Associate, graduate, this is for the Chennai. For this position you can apply, and there is also associate security consultant, and this is for the Singapore. So if you are okay with that, you can apply for this position. And also there are many positions are available like assistant manager and all. So based on your like experience or the expertise, you can apply for the positions. There is no certain limit towards this, but yes, if you see again, this is also applicable for the freshers, associate, graduate, and also you can apply for this position. There is no not much needed here for this position as well, so you can apply for this position, and location is also inside India, so you can apply if you are willing to work inside India or in India. So associate security consultant, so it's an intern position and the location is Singapore, so you need to work from Singapore, or you can work remotely if they allow you. And these are like various positions are available, so I'll be putting all the links, different position links to the description of this video, so that you can apply for these various locations. And also another one, the network security engineer, and also you can check the similar positions based on your interest. You can apply for the various positions. But yes, these are the like 3 positions I encourage you all to apply for this position. So guys, I'll be putting this link in the description of this video. So if you have any doubt regarding this off campus or any other off campus, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely help you as soon as possible. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next off campus video.